Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to take a look at a GitHub repository in your browser. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So what we want to do first in the main page is log in. In the upper right corner, you're going to go ahead and have the sign up button to go ahead and create an account if you do not already have one. If you already have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally using the login button, and once we have logged in, we'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can take a look at our repositories. We have our home info where we can take a look at all the sections we can access and so on. And basically guys, now we can get started. So if you're looking at your repositories in your browser is easy as possible, and all you need to do is just take a look at your top repository section right here, the left side screen. If you do not see your repositories, you can click the three lines right here. That's going to enable you to open up your projects right here, and from there you can go ahead and manage any repositories that you have and any projects. Right here in the upper right corner as well, you can click on your profile icon. That's going to enable you to go ahead and directly access your repositories as well as your projects and so on. So everything is going to be available from here. You can enter in any repository that you want to use, and from there you can go and manage it however you wish, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.